Nowadays, WhatsApp updated their WhatsApp with the update, which before was a status. Now it is with the name of updates, and you can now create your own channel with the WhatsApp, or you can find the channel, which channel you can follow. Agree and continue. Create a channel to reach unlimited followers. You can create channel name, and that's it. You created your own channel, and you can copy the channel link and paste it to any social media app, and you can manage your channel from 3 dot line here. Let's find some channel that you can follow for the news update, their news update, and you can use it WhatsApp for your website or anything to advertising to people. WhatsApp showing that some default channel that you can follow, and default and famous channel with the celebrities and the Premier League that you can follow. You can search the channel with the region base. So let's follow one channel. I'm following MotoGP, and here you can see the MotoGP latest update is here, and you can see their latest update news and some short videos